Welcome to our comparison of the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus motherboards. Today, we will explore the key features, performance differences, and overall value of these two popular options for gamers and PC builders. The ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus is known for its high-end specifications, while the MSI B760 Gaming Plus offers a more budget-friendly alternative. Let's dive into the details. The ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus features the Intel Z790 chipset, which offers advanced capabilities and better overclocking potential compared to the MSI B760 Gaming Plus, which utilizes the B760 chipset. The Z790 chipset is designed for high-performance builds, making it ideal for gamers who want to push their systems to the limit. In contrast, the B760 chipset provides solid performance but lacks some of the advanced features found in the Z790, making it a more budget-friendly choice. When it comes to PCIe support, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus boasts PCIe 5.0, which allows for faster data transfer rates and better performance with the latest GPUs and storage devices. On the other hand, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus supports PCIe 4.0, which, while still capable, does not offer the same level of future-proofing as PCIe 5.0. This difference can be crucial for gamers looking to maximize their system's performance. Price is a significant factor when choosing between these two motherboards. The ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus is priced at $249, reflecting its high-end features and capabilities. In contrast, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus is more affordable at $169, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. While the ASUS board offers advanced technology, the MSI board provides excellent value for money without sacrificing essential features. In conclusion, both the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus motherboards have their unique strengths. The ASUS board is perfect for those seeking high performance and advanced features, while the MSI board offers great value for gamers on a budget. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.